Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use a built-in compass and altimeter on the AMAZFIT Active Max. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the apps and go over to compass. Now, to calibrate it, we need to rotate the wrist to roll ball. So, as you guys can see, it is not on my wrist, so I'll just spin it around, and as you guys can see, now it's calibrated. So I am on the southwest now. I'll move it around. Now this is west, this is south, and now this is north. So this is the compass. Now first, what we want to do in the altimeter, we want to go over to barometer right here, and as you guys can see, the altitude value is estimated based on readings from the watch's barometric sensor. So my altitude is 248 meters now. As you guys can see, let me try and change it somehow so it's not really changeable, but the altitude says 248. So now we can see it, and here we also have air pressure for an example. So that's how you guys can use it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.